A lot of the problems is that they don't know accounting methods or terminologies. They use it to pay their bills or they use it to keep up with their invoices, but they don't really use it properly, or they're not educated on, what certain reports mean or what functions are. Some of them don't even put in their checks in there. They only use invoices and they just keep their checkbooks separate. So then I have to go in and enter their checks or run a separate Quickbooks to get them the reports that they need, and then help them to understand what the reports mean and how better they can use it if they use it correctly.
Well, we did, one thing that Tonya and I both have is a significant time of usage with QuickBooks. Even before we became QuickBooks Pro Advisors, we've been using the software since 2005. But then as we are Pro Advisors, we're certified through QuickBooks, or through Intuit is the developer of the software. Not only for the QuickBooks, the desktop versions and multiple year versions, but we also Enterprise, which is a much larger version of the software for manufacturing. And then QuickBooks Online, which is a very big trend right now that most accounting is going to move to a cloud. And we are trying to stay ahead of that trend so that our clients are getting the best services and understanding how these accounting platforms are changing. But like Tonya, and to kind of expand on what Tonya had said, we are about educating our clients on the tools they have. Many of them, they buy the software in the box, they plug it into the computer, they enter checks or they enter invoices, but this is a very powerful software for small business, and it's the most popular software for small business. We feel like it's part of our services is to not only just get their QuickBooks correct, but for them to continue to understand how to use it. We work with their staff to help them enter this stuff correctly. We clean up chart of accounts so that the reports are more tangible. We work with the CEOs and the sales directors so that they're getting reporting that is meaningful. Reports are great, but if the main people in the company do not understand how to use them, then really what are we paying for? So our job is to not only to take that software, but to educate them on how it's using and to make sure it stays correct per accounting methodologies.